Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing 5 lines on Independence Day. Let's learn today Independence Day speech. It is easy for kids and students to learn it. First line. Good morning everyone. Second line. My name is Nayana. Third line. Today is 15th August and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Fourth line. India got independence on this day in 1947. Fifth line. We are very lucky to live in a free country. I love my country very much. I hope you like my videos and please share and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind!